Y'all, most Airbnb hosts don't fail because their property's bad. They fail because their listing becomes invisible. And look, the scariest part is that they usually don't even know it's even happening. That's because Airbnb is not going to send you any warnings. There's not going to be any alert. You will not get an email about this. Your listing simply quietly slips down, fewer impressions, fewer clicks, and fewer bookings. And when most hosts finally realize that this is happening, the first thing that they're going to do is blame the price, next seasonality, and possibly even the market. But when you look at how the top 1% of Airbnb hosts actually operate, y'all, they don't win because they have the nicest homes. They win because they understand how Airbnb decides who gets seen on the platform. And if you're new here, I'm Seth. My partner and I run about a dozen Airbnbs across 2 cities. We've hosted over 10,000 guests, and y'all, we've been doing this for more than a decade. And so everything I'm sharing in this video and on this channel for that matter comes from patterns that we've seen again and again. And so here's what the top hosts understand and understand fully. Airbnb does not rank your listing based on its potential. They rank those listings based on hosts and guest behavior. So Airbnb is looking at things like how quickly you respond, how consistent your responses are, how much friction guests experience. And that is because Airbnb's goal is pretty simple: reduce uncertainty, reduce complaints, and protect guest experience. So when you're new to the platform, Airbnb is asking, can we trust this host? Do guests feel taken care of by this host? Does this listing create problems? And this is specifically what they're watching in those first 60 days after your listing goes live. They're looking at response speed. They're looking at response consistency, calendar stability, pricing stability, low guest confusion. And I know that may feel like a big list, but you don't need to optimize everything. You need to avoid triggering doubt. Y'all, that is the whole game. So top hosts aren't trying to respond faster. What they do instead, y'all, is they build a system that makes these responses automatic. So I want you to focus on perfecting these 4 messages. A booking confirmation within 10 minutes after a guest books your property. A pre-arrival message with access code and expectations sent to your guests within 24 hours before they arrive at your property. Next, I want you to send a simple mid-stay check-in sent the next morning after your guest has spent a night in your property. The 4th and final message I want you to perfect is a checkout message sent the morning when your guest is leaving your property. That is it, y'all. Those are the 4 messages I want you to perfect. And Airbnb is not tracking how you respond. It does care, though, about how fast you respond and how consistently you respond. And look, before confusion becomes a problem, get these messages in place. Use an automated messaging system so this becomes easy and seamless. And top hosts are also winning because some of the things they are not doing. So top hosts aren't changing prices every day. Top hosts aren't rewriting their listings every week. And top hosts aren't waiting to respond until they can figure out how to say something perfectly. This might be a little bit hard to hear, but those behaviors signal instability to the Airbnb algorithm because Airbnb is not rewarding effort. It is, however, rewarding predictability. And so here's a simple exercise that you can do today. Ask yourself this question about each part of your listing. What question does it answer for your guests? So, what questions does your photos answer? The title of your property, your listing description, the messages that you're sending. What questions are those parts of your listing answering for guests? And if when you're going through this, new questions come up, well, you've identified those points of friction. And friction is what leads to reduced revenue and being invisible on the Airbnb platform. And if this video is helping you to see your Airbnb differently, liking this video and subscribing to this channel helps it reach other serious hosts like yourself. And that is how I'm able to keep sharing what actually works on this channel, because we are building out this channel, we're building out this community, and I want you to be a part of it. Click like and subscribe. All right, let's keep going. The top 1% of hosts don't win because they figured out some secret. They do win because they are playing a different game. them. They're building trust with their guests as well as with Airbnb. And once your listing becomes trusted, that level of trust begins to compound. So most listings don't fail because Airbnb hides them on the platform. They fail because guests are skipping past them when they encounter your listing on the platform. And the listing title, well, y'all, that is usually why. So I want to invite you to watch this next video on how to write an Airbnb title that gets more bookings fast, because that is where invisible loss happens. And in that video, I'm going to show you how to stop it. Because when you pair what you have learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. Click right here to watch this next video.